Morning students, this is your computer class, and in the last class we had learned about system software, which is also known as operating system. Okay, it is responsible to run application software. System software runs the application software. System software also manages the activities in your computer system. Okay, some of the examples of operating systems or system software are Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. These are all operating system software. Okay, as the years have passed by, the software has also evolved. Okay, they have become much better, and the latest version is Windows 10, which are being used in the computers nowadays. The Windows in your computer is an operating system, which is an example of system software. System software is very important part of a computer system. Okay. Operating system, which is also known as OS, is a part of system software. Okay. Now today we are going to learn about application software. Have you noticed the wall clock at your home? What does it do? It does only one thing. It shows the time. So the function of the wall clock is to only show time. It does not do any other thing from that. Okay. Similarly, the application software is a software that helps you in doing some specific work. So just like the wall clock does only one specific function, similarly, the application software is also a software that does only some specific work. Okay. For example, you use the Paint program to draw. You cannot do sums using Paint. To do sums, you use the calculator program. Okay. So, if you want to draw or paint in a computer, you use a Paint program. Okay, you cannot do it in any other software. Okay, you have to use a Paint program. Similarly, if you want to watch videos, you are going to use Windows Media Player. Okay, with the help of this software, you can play videos in your computer. Okay, now if you want to play game, you have to choose a certain software. Okay, now if you want to do calculations in your computer, you have to use a calculation or calculator software. Okay, now if you want to type some words or write some letters in your computer, you have to use a WordPad or a Word software, Office Word software. Okay, here you can type words or letters in the page. Okay, now there is a note for the teacher. Give a demonstration of some commonly used application softwares. So that I am going to do in the next class. I'll be sending you the video of this softwares. Okay, the examples of these softwares will be included in the video. Now we have to look in the chart. Okay, so the title of the chart or the top of the table of this chart is software. The software is divided into two parts: system software and application software. Okay, now system software are divided into three branches: operating system, example MS DOS and Windows. Okay, utility program, Norton antivirus, language translator. Okay, these are the examples of system software. Now application software are also divided into four parts. They are divided into four parts: word processing software, example WordPad and MS Word. Okay, Presentation software, example MS PowerPoint. Spreadsheet software, example MS Excel. And DBMS software, example MS Access or Oracle. Okay, now we are going to learn in details about the two types of software, which is system software and application software. Okay, so first we are going to start with the system software. It performs the basic functions that are necessary to operate a computer system. It controls the various resources of a computer system. System software is of three types: operating system, language processor, and utility software. Okay, so the system software are of three types: operating system, language processor, and utility software. Okay, the first one, operating system. An operating system is a system software that acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. It is required to start and shut down the computer. It controls the various components of the computer system and also helps in sharing the resources. Okay, so operating system acts like an interface between the user and the hardware. Okay, it is required to start and shut down the computer. Okay, it also controls various components of the computer system and also helps in sharing the resources. An operating system occupies the prime position between the hardware and the user. The user interacts with the system through an operating system. So in order to interact with the computer system, you need an operating system. Otherwise, you cannot interact with the computer system. Okay. Now, the functions of an operating system. An operating system provides a variety of services to your computer and its users. Some of the major functions of an operating system are: program execution. It receives the commands from any application or system program, interprets it, and then executes it. Okay. The second function is device management. Allocation and deallocation of all input and output devices are done by the operating system. It controls the working of all the devices connected to your computer. The third function is file management. It helps you to organize all data in files or folders and allocate space for files on secondary storage devices as and when required. It keeps track of the location of every file on the disk. Number 4. Memory management. Memory is a major part of a computer system and controls the speed of the operations. The main memory is thus managed by the operating system, ensuring the efficient functioning of your computer system. Okay. Now in the picture you can see this operating system. What are its functions? Program execution, file management, device management, and memory management. Okay, that's all for today. Please go through this. Functions, the detailed explanation of system software. The first type of system software is operating software and its functions. Okay, thank you. That's all for today.